This is Fisher Traction, the revolutionary device providing traction right in your home. You can get the exact same traction you can get in a doctor's office, but now you can get relief from your pain anytime, anywhere. It's as easy as lying down. As he lays here in traction, his spine is gently pulled off the nerves. Then, as he occasionally pulls the release strap, the tension relaxes, which draws fluid back into the discs, rehydrating them, allowing pain relief and repair.
That relief allows me to go throughout my day.
Just loop it over the outer doorknob, sit down on the floor and lie back. Now simply feel the pull. You're using your own body weight, so very little strength is needed. This is the fastest, easiest way ever to relieve pain using clinical grade traction anytime, anywhere.
I'm instantly without pain. It's fantastic.
Call, go online, or scan this code to order Fisher Traction to relieve your pain. Act now and get a limited time discount and free shipping. Call or go online now.